Hello everyone, this is Travalgar Valentine. I'm just continuing my Ford Escort Mark II drawing. And last time I did the lights and the grille, now I want to do the front bumper. Let's do that. So this is just a bit more in depth of the process I'm going through to create some pretty good alright drawings. Yeah, keeps me happy. Okay, I'm just doing a bumper section here. Using my ruler, keep that angle the same. Try and keep it parallel to where the lights are. You want that. Don't weird angles everywhere. You can do if you want cartoony, or it just depends on what kind of style you want. But for this, I'm just trying to keep them equal. So this is just about a centimetre across from the light. So a little indication there. Then from which just line these up. Okay, and then bring this across. Little rectangle shape there. I'm not going to do this all in fine line. I'm just going to do the main areas that are black. So these give a nice crisp edge. You want some soft edges as well. Okay. Then the lower section. We can curl this round when the wheel arch section comes in. Little wee dot there. And these are lights, which looks like it. And there is a line that goes across. Okay. I think that'll do for the lines for the time being. Just add a bit of shadow just here. Increase this line weight. Especially on the inside here. I tell these are the lower sections. There we are. Right, let's get into some more Copics. So, start with my darker grey. Just a touch. There. Okay, and then this one's going to have a bit of colour. So let's get our colour markers out. This is a red one. There. Just doing not too much. Can change it. If I want more, I can add more. Just that nice level. And just a touch of orange, just to balance that out. Okay, then I want another orange in there, but I want different shades. I'm going to touch a yellow first, then go back my touch 5. Might bring a different colour. Yeah, that'll do. Okay, this bumper, it's got the two grey and black lines, so I want to change that. And I'm just going to use my biro. and just feather it down across this line. Just do a line across, then just tiny little lines going down. And a little bit on this light. Smoothing out some areas. Sometimes the markers can leave it a bit chunky, so you just got to go back and just smooth out a few areas. Okay, now this is going to be the number plate in the center, so you can put whatever number you want. I'm just going to put my Travalgar Vallertine logo there. Okay, now I want to blend. There's a blocky kind of colour, so I want to kind of blend them in a little bit, so I'm going to use my pencils for this. So let's just see what happens. And start off light, and then start pressing down the pencil as you get more to the colour. There we are, that's what you want. And try and leave like a thin shade of orange just in that centre. And I'm just going around these orange light at the bottom just to kind of pull it out a little bit more. Now this edge of the bumper, I didn't do it outlined in black, but I'm going to do a softer red edge. Yeah, I can actually just, while I've got the pencils, do this soft edge on here. And just feather it down. And the idea is just to make it just as smooth as out together. And then you can change pencils to maybe another colour, so let's try a bit of orange in there. We'll make as little white as possible as necessary. Okay, it's looking good. I don't like this red just under this grey, so let's darken that up a little bit. I'm going to use a bit of purple for that. Just a smidge just under here. There we are. Maybe just a touch under these bumpers to pull them out a bit more. Okay, then what else can I push and pull? Maybe the bumpers on here, so let's get these bumpers a bit grayer. I want to try and eliminate more of that white. We'll use a Posca marker afterwards just for a few highlights, but keep it special, you know. Keep it special. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. I think that's looking alright. Still a bit weird of a transformation there. We just need to go over it a bit more. I wonder if I had a bit of yellow with those lights, it would work. Yeah. Okay, it's looking good. Now I think the final touch will be adding the wheel on this side. Come down like so. I think that'll be cool. In fact, I'm actually going to do this with permanent marker because it's going to take ages. There we are. I might just do a touch under the car. Done a little bit, well, I've got the permanent marker, just done a little bit on here. Okay, I think that'll do for the front bumper. Oh, maybe I'll add a bit of Posca marker like I said I would. Just add a little bit of white highlight on top. So I'll lighten up this edge a little bit. Just a thin white line going down here. Kind of smooth it out a bit. Okay, so I've got the nice light shade here. It's going to be a bit darker on this side. The wheel in, got the lights indicators, it looks good, so I'm happy with that. Thanks for watching guys, this has been the bumper for my Mark II Ford Escort 1975, and I'll be back with another lesson. Thanks very much for watching, I'll see you later.